So I was excited to check out this new SwitchBot Pro lock because they finally listened and got rid of the damn stickers. And yeah, they did send this lock for review, but no additional funds were exchanged. Definitely keeps it unbiased. So what's really different about this between the other two locks? The previous one had those damn stickers and yeah, it would twist off the door and then it would fall off over time. So they got rid of that. And the way this one installs is you pull off the back part of the deadbolt and then you put on their little piece and then throw on the lock itself. The only issues we had actually installing the lock, which it only takes like a few minutes to get going and get it on the door, was the stupid little screws on the side. Yeah, at least they thought about that they give you extras, and because you're going to drop the little bastards on the floor and you won't be able to find them, which is exactly what happened to us. But we got the screws in and good to go. And everything just paired up fine. The app calibrated and did the whole thing, and pretty quick it worked in the app itself. Now, since you're not replacing the outside bolt, it kind of keeps it in that realm of, hey, why is this smart home automation company doing stupid locks and everything, right? Their bolts suck, etc. We've seen that before. And yeah, but I'm gonna give you a pro tip there. Don't believe everything you see on the internet, because not a lot of whole people are picking locks to get into homes. They're using bricks and stolen keys to do the thing. And the hell with the damn lock. Yeah, there's no keypad. You have to add your little keypad to the outside. We don't have to, I guess, but they do have an add-on keypad that runs around $40, or you can get the whole bundle for like a little cheaper. And it does have NFC and, like a PIN code. You can add multiple PIN codes to things, and you can actually, it does have the fingerprint scanner on it, which leads me to, did we have any issues? Yes, you will have issues if you live in a high humidity area like I do. Just like I did on the Icaria lock, it does not like moist fingers. I know some people may like moist fingers, but the keypad does not like that. So definitely dry your fingers off, and the keypad will work and scan your fingers and rock and roll. You can also use the app. You can use, like in this particular install, we used the Apple Watch the homeowner had, and it worked just fine. The speed is not too bad. I've seen quicker with some other locks and things, but this does get the job done. Can you get it also into smart home stuff like Google Home or Alexa's or even Home Assistant? As of now, I don't see anything for Home Assistant users to add in straight using Bluetooth proxy. Maybe that'll change in the future, but if you do get their little hub, it supports Matter, which, a lot of the other services support Matter now, and you can bring it straight into Matter, but I don't think you'll be able to delete it out of the app. Otherwise, it may factory reset or may not even work. So kind of leads into this may be a local cloud connected, smart lock. I know some people don't like that. I myself use straight up Zigbee, which is 100% local, but we'll get to that in what I use in the end of the video when we say, should you buy this or not? So all in all, decent little lock. The only thing I did not like about it was the bulk, but that's due to where the double A's, there's 4 double A's in it that actually sit horizontal instead of vertical like you see in some locks. So it has a little bit of bulk to that. So just keep that in mind if you're going to use this lock. The keypad, you can stick it on to things, or you can, screw it to like wooden trim, whatever it may be. And they do give you all the little pieces, tools, etc. to get the job done. And it's super simple to install this lock. So I guess that leads us down to, would you buy one? Not me right now. Why? Because what I'm using those little Quickset 914s. If you want to see the link down there, that is a pure Zigbee lock. It's 100% local. I don't need to do any other apps with it. Works fine with Zigbee to MQTT, no issues. And it does replace the entire lock. So I actually get the keypad on the outside, and it is actually made by Quickset, which they've been making, deadbolts for a good bit. So it's kind of like the lock company added home automation, not the other way. So I guess that's a little bit safer for doing deadbolts and things. So really like those locks. But if I did not have those, I would probably maybe rock this one for a while until maybe I got tired of the separate keypad type deal. Add the keypad, add the hub, add the lock. You're going to be well over the price of what you'd get with some of those other locks as well. So do keep that in mind, but definitely check them all out. See what's kind of the best for your situation, because you may be renting and you may be maybe not a homeowner yet, and you just want to replace something, not have your landlord freak out, and this one might be for you. So definitely glad to see that SwitchBot did finally remove those damn stickers and listened, and we actually have it bolted to the actual door. It won't fall off at the most craziest times. So thanks to SwitchBot for sending us a review. And yep, y'all know the drill. Press all them buttons and y'all take care.